Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
To identify the optimal wavelength, locate the maximum peak on the absorbance spectrum, which occurs at approximately 390 nanometers.
Because the molar absorptivity is at its maximum. For the dilution calculation, use the equation M1V1 equals M2V2, substituting the values 0.198, which is approximately 50.5 milliliters. From the provided standard curve, the slope m is 0.45 over 0.100, which equals 4.5 per molar. Given an absorbance of which is 0.30 over 4.5, approximately 0.067 m, a less steep standard curve suggests a decrease in the product epsilon b.
Great job working through that. Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.